previous episode, I had talked about what talent management is and that it's not so mysterious as people think. It is very much like asset management. The first rule of talent management I mentioned to you is that you must recruit adequate talent density. You must have solid talent density. So what does this mean? First, within that you must be able to recruit the best that suits your needs. Not the best in the world, but the best that suits your needs. The second aspect of building talent density is you must recruit for attitude, not for skills. People want ready-made people who can do X, Y, Z skills. But attitude is something that you cannot teach. Skills you can teach. And the third aspect is that through this method, acquire enough talent density, because if you don't have talent density, then there is no talent to manage. Just like if you don't have enough assets, there is not enough asset management flexibility that you have. Remember, talent is an asset, and it is to be the principles of asset management apply just as much to talent management as it does to asset management.